Now, some of the news that have been trending in the streets of social media when it comes to NEO is, of course, their Q2 earnings date, which it appears that it might be around the 24th of September 2024. I mean, so many of the people, we are waiting for those Q2 earnings, because Q2 of 2024, we know that NEO saw record-breaking quarterly deliveries, and that was the deliveries of 57, and those were the deliveries of 57,373, which were absolutely incredible. These were the kind of deliveries that they represented a 143.9% increase year over year, which is something that is just absolutely amazing, and it was incredible, NEO, seeing those kind of deliveries in Q2. Now, so many of the people, I mean, even Deutsche Bank yesterday came out and issued a statement to say that they are expecting vehicle gross margins of NEO to go to double digits, and then that is 11%. You will know that the vehicle gross margins in Q1 were sitting at around 9%, and now Deutsche sees 11% of vehicle margin, which is something that is pretty exciting. And if we get that, it will be good, because in terms of vehicle margin, NEO would have went back to double digits. This is something that we look forward to, because it will mean that NEO's earnings are recovering, and therefore the more they continue doing well is the more we are going to see these figures, gross margins, vehicle margins, continue improving, which will end up having a positive impact, or bringing a positive impact onto NEO's share price. So we look forward onto the upcoming Q2 earnings on the 24th of September, and that will be just 2 days after their Envoy L62nd launch, which it will be a bliss. It will just be quite interesting to see what would have happened on that day. I think we'll still be talking about that day, even going to the earnings, which earnings are just going to even bring more good news, which hopefully it does something on the stock price, on our share price of NEO. So it is for this reason that even personally I'm going to continue loading, because I know September 21st, September 24th, September 28th, those 3 days are very important, and are the ones that will make me to continue loading the board, increasing my holdings, because I know that blue sky is coming, and we will definitely be rewarded. And those that are still thinking that NEO is dead, NEO is going to bankruptcy, I promise you, end of September, they are going to really see what NEO will be doing, what NEO will unveil, and the kind of deliveries that we are going to start seeing from NEO, or from September going forward. So I'm happy. I look forward. I think we should brace ourselves for what's coming. So Deutsche Bank maintains a buy rating onto the NEO stock going into Q2 earnings, which is something that is pretty exciting. You'll know that your Deutsche Bank's price target onto NEO is around $10 per stock, which if we are to get to see that maybe before this year ends, it will be so great, so amazing. It will bring a huge relief, especially to those that are loading the boat, increasing their holdings like myself, because we are bringing our average down. I mean, yesterday's video I did tell you that finally my average price onto NEO just came below $20, and the more I load is the more my average price will go down or come down. And if it goes below $4 once again on Monday or next week, guess what I'm going to do? Continue loading, increasing my holdings, because I know that blue sky is coming. I am happy, I am excited, and I think the Q2 earnings are definitely going to give us some good news that will definitely recover the stock price or the share price of NEO, and especially that they are coming 2 days after the Envoy launch. I think we should be able to see at least some breather in terms of the stock price, or the stock price should get a breather and at least surge during that period. So I look forward, man, and I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your predictions are. Tell me the kind of deliveries that you think NIO is going to produce for September. I know that the deliveries for Envo will comment or might comment around the 28th, but tell me how many Envo L60 deliveries can we get from the 28th up until the end of September. I think it won't be much, but they will definitely make a difference onto NIO's total delivery. So we look forward, or I just look forward to the end of September, because there will be great things happening around that time. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Do your own DD before you buy NIO for the very first time, as this stock is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.